Back again at our huge swim platform, and I'll just step right aboard. And we have two doors on either side that are easily lifted and operated that way. We've got seating in the cockpit area for loads of guests. And then to the starboard side, just forward of that seating, this first is a nice Force 10 grill. And then you've got a wet bar, and of course the faux granite with the Corian, and a refrigerator, U-line with an ice maker, and then to port we've got a big huge lounge that obviously makes up into a berth or a place to lay out and just enjoy the cruise. And note the walk-through. You have easy steps up to the walk-through so that you don't have to go on the outside of the boat, and you can just step right through out to the foredeck. And our helm, everything's nicely laid out. Nice electronics, easy to view, and we keep it all protected while not in use with a towel. And there's a very nice double helm seat as well. Well, that will take care of the outside. We'll head inside now.